morning, dear students, today we are going to start your writing section, that is letter writing, right? Letter writing. Students, here you have to get the proper understanding regarding your board examination and regarding the examinations that you are going to face, right? So today I will give you the proper understanding of this, and after this you will be able to understand all these points related to letter writing, and then after you can easily access all the questions and you will be able to reply all the answers carefully, right? So students, without getting delay, let's get started with the lesson, that is the letter writing, right? So first of all, I am telling you the introduction of the letter, what actually the letter is, right? So as before the advent of modern technology made communication so easy, the art of writing a letter was considered an important requirement. And not even in earlier days, in fact in today, a letter is an important means of communication. You can call it means of communication, right? Means of communication in both the workspace as well as our personal lives. So let us even educate with the nuance of letter writing, right? As you can see, the highlight word is given at the every educated person should know how to write a clear and readable letter, and everyone has some time to write business letter of some sort and may have to face the problems of writing an important letter that will vitally affected his interest in life. The art of letter writing is therefore no mere ornamental accomplishment, but something that every educated person must acquire for practical reasons, right? So as you see that nowadays, right, अगर मैं बात करूं ये मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी जो कि अभी चल गई है, फेसबुक, ट्विटर, बहुत सारे ऐसे सोशल साइट्स हैं जिनका कि यूज़ करके कि एक बच्चा हो, एजुकेटेड पीपल हो, वो क्या कर रहे हैं आज की डेट में राइटिंग स्किल को, राइटिंग पीस ऑफ थिंग्स को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह तक चीज़ें भेजी जा पा रही हैं एक राइटिंग मोड में, राइट? एंड दैट इज़ इवन वेरी इजी, राइट? बट ऐसा हर समय तो था नहीं. हमारे पास जो अर्लियर एजेस थे, उन अर्लियर एजेस में बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स हमारे पास आते थे और ये इन राइटिंग स्किल को लेकर के. सो ये राइटिंग स्किल खास करके लेटर राइटिंग हार्ड कॉपी में जब चीज़ें दी जानी होती हैं तब के लिए कुछ ज़्यादा ही क्या होता है, इम्पॉर्टेंट होकर के रह जाता है, राइट? सो स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पे आपको प्रॉपर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ये होनी चाहिए कि व्हाट एक्चुअली लेटर इज़, राइट? सो लेटर इज़ जनरली अ मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, एक माध्यम होता है, और आज के डेट में थोड़ा सा इसका यूज़ भले ही कम है, बट अर्लियर एजेस में इसका यूज़ जो है वो बहुत ही बड़े लेवल पर रहा करता था, राइट? एंड जैसा कि इसके ऊपर हाईलाइट करके क्या लिखा गया है कि एवरी एजुकेटेड पर्सन शुड नो, यानी हर पढ़े लिखे आदमी को कहीं ना कहीं ये बात जाननी चाहिए दैट कि कैसे हम लेटर राइटिंग को कर सकते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट, सबसे पहले मैं आपको एक अवेयरनेस दे देता हूँ कि ये जो राइटिंग स्क्रिप्ट हम लोग देख रहे हैं ये हम लोग रेन एंड मार्टिन की बुक से पढ़ रहे हैं, ठीक है? सो इफ़ यू आर हैविंग दिस देन यू कैन गेट इट, अदरवाइज अगर नहीं भी है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. आई विल क्लियर यू ऑल द थिंग्स वेरी वेरी क्लियरली, राइट? सो हर एक पढ़े लिखे आदमी को भी ये जानना चाहिए. एंड लेटर क्या होता है? जनरली एक तरह का मैसेज होता है ना? जनरली एक तरह का मैसेज होता है, एंड दैट कैन बी इवन रिटेन और प्रिंटेड ऑन अ पेपर, राइट? लिखा भी हो सकता है या फिर हो सकता है कि प्रिंटेड बोर्ड में हो. एंड जनरली इट इज़ यूज टू सेंड द रेसिपिएंट वाया मेल और अ पोस्ट इन एन एनवेलप, ऑल्दो दिस इज़ नॉट अ रिक्वायरमेंट एज सच, राइट? एंड इस तरह के जो मतलब इसको क्या किया जाता है कि बेसिकली मेल के थ्रू, पोस्ट के थ्रू भेजा जाता है, राइट? इसी सेगमेंट में आपको और भी कुछ चीज़ें पढ़नी होती हैं, लाइक ईमेल्स भी आपको पढ़ना होगा इसी में, राइट? बट दैट विल बी नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ this class. This will you will study in the later classes like 11th and 12th, and maybe you have studied in class 8th and 9th also, right? So emails आते हैं, राइट? मतलब आप ओवरऑल ये कह सकते हैं कि ये जो लेटर राइटिंग होता है दैट इज़ टोटली द पार्ट ऑफ इवन इट्स अ रिटन मैसेज और प्रिंटेड मैसेज ऑन अ पेपर, राइट? and we have to study it very clearly, right? Now we are going to make cover the form of letters, right? The form of letters. Letters or messages and certain letters forms have been established by experience and customs as the most useful, learned and used by every letter writer for neglect of them in a sign of ignorance and carelessness. There are several different kind of letters such as friendly letters, business letters, each of which has its own particular form, but there are certain matters of form which apply to all these may be explained first. In all kind of letters there are 6 points of form to be attended, namely, right? So हम इस नेम्स के बारे में बाद में जाएंगे, पहले हम लोग अगर लेटर्स के डिवीजन के बारे में जाएं, so what is given as here, like business letter and friendly letter, right? Business letter and right? But basically, if your understanding, I am going to, for your understanding, if I will write the forms of letter as formal and informal, right? Formal or informal, these are the two letters, right? So here for your understanding I am again telling you the things, right? The formal letter and informal letter, right? So how you can make it clarified, the formal letters or the informal letter is given here. First of all, let me tell you what the formal letters are, right? Formal letters. सो आप ये कह सकते हैं कि फॉर्मल लेटर्स या इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स जनरली क्या होते हैं. तो फॉर्मल लेटर्स जनरली इंक्लूड्स बिजनेस लेटर्स, लेटर ऑफ कंप्लेन, लेटर टू द गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स, लेटर टू एन ऑर्डर, लेटर फॉर एन इंक्वायरी, राइट. तो अगर आप किसी भी तरह का ऑर्डर देते हैं, जो है कंप्लेन करते हैं किसी ऑफिशियल को लेकर के, है ना, तो ये क्या होता है, ये आपका फॉर्मल लेटर्स होता है, राइट. Definitely you will have here the sentence that don't be so formal when a guest comes in, visits to our house and he just making the formality like he just being same. So at the same point you say don't make formal, right. वहाँ पे हम कहते हैं ना कि formal ना बनी है, right. So ये formality कुछ वैसी ही होती है, right. And what are, even you can also call for the offices, right. In a simple word you can call for office. And what are the part for the an informal letter? So you can also call for the relationship, right, for the relations. यानी informal letters includes letter to friends, relatives, acquaintances, right. अब यहाँ पे जो लेटर्स के राइटिंग का कुछ प्रोस्पेक्ट होता है, तो आई थिंक बिफोर दिस मूविंग टू द, बिफोर हेडिंग टू वर्ड्स, first of all I will make your assertion from your side that this topic you have confirmed, formal letters for the offices and the informal letters for the relation purpose, right. Now let us move to the next part, right, that what is important for writing a letter, right. So in all kind of letters there are 6 points to form to be attended to, namely, right, first of all heading consisting the writer's address and date. Second, the courteous greeting or salutation. Third, the communication or message, the body of letter, the subscription or the courteous leave taking or conclusion, the signature, and finally the superscription on the envelope, right. So students, there are some things that you have to understand very clearly, and as I have told you that there is some processes, right, there is some processes, some steps you have to follow them very even attentively, right. If you are not giving your attention for writing the letter, then definitely you will make the mistakes, and that errors can be the cause of deduction in the marks, right. So I am telling you something for the writing purpose. When you are going to write anything for on behalf of your examination purpose, then definitely you will have to understand the terms, that everything you are going to write must be clear, must be grammatically correct, and definitely they must be arranged in an order, and they must be written on their appropriate place. Means every statement must be placed on its appropriate place, and if you are not following these ideas, then definitely you will make the errors, and your marks will be got deducted, right? So students, for sure that you will not make a mistake, हम लोग क्या करते हैं अपने उस स्कीम को थोड़ा सा जो राइटिंग स्टाइल होगी हम लोग को कि उसको इम्प्रूव करते हैं, दैट हाउ वी कैन इम्प्रूव द राइटिंग स्टाइल ऑफ दिस, राइट? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कुछ हेडिंग्स हैं, वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट हेडिंग, right? Heading is the most appropriate part for the letter writing, right? So this will be heading. Second, the courteous greeting or the salutation. Salutation is also important part when you are meeting towards someone, then how you will greet, right? To pay respect. Greeting का मतलब होता है आपका respect करना, कैसे किसी को respect पे किया जाता है. In Hindi you can also call it अभिवादन, right? How you will move, you will show respect. Okay, I am telling you this all these things in Hindi also for proper understanding of everything, right? क्योंकि अगर कोई भी पार्ट इसमें अछूता रह गया तो मुझे लगता है कि बहुत बड़ी कॉम्प्लिकेशन आ जाएगी. देन आफ्टर अदर थिंग्स, द कम्युनिकेशन मैसेज और मैसेज द बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट बिकॉज हेयर यू राइट योर कंटेंट, हेयर यू राइट योर कंटेंट और द मैसेजेस दैट फॉर दैट पर्पज यू आर राइटिंग द लेटर, right? Then after the subscriptions or the leave taking means you are going to have a leave and how you will just make the assertion from the writer, you will follow the steps here. Then after the signature and the subscription, superscription on the envelope. So as you know previously कि हम लोगों ने पहले डिस्कस किया ना कि लेटर जो होता है जनरली एक ईमेल वो किसी एनवेलप में पुट करके और उसको पोस्ट किया जाता है. सो उस एनवेलप के ऊपर कैसे सुपरस्क्रिप्शन रखे जाएंगे ये चीज़ें भी हमें यहाँ पे समझनी होंगी, राइट? सो स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल टेल यू द हेडिंग ओनली टुडे, ओनली हेडिंग्स विल बी अंडरस्टूड टुडे एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट वी विल कवर इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, राइट? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट द हेडिंग इज, राइट? Students, this informs the reader where you wrote the letter and when. The where, which should be the writer's full postal address, gives the address to which the reader may reply, and the when, for the reference at it, gives him the date on which you wrote, right? The position of the heading is the top right hand corner on the first page, the address above the just date, just below it the heading, the date may alternatively go to the left, right? Date may go on the left. So you can write 24 Purvi Marg, as you can see the complete address heading is here. This part will be considered as heading, right? Means address along with date. So for sure my dear students, I am telling you one thing, that this date 10th October 2001 sometimes come to the left side, come to this, all parts will be always, and this date will be just below the address. You don't need to write above the address, right? And this date sometimes may come to the place like 10th October 2021. Sometimes it can comes to be this place, so don't get confused that date are written here, right, or here. This may be differ, right? This may be differ. Maybe it can be written on this point here, right? So don't get confused. This date is given this side, right? Another thing I am telling you, and what is this? So first of all you will write the house number. Then after the detail of the road, and then after the appropriate address. And the format of the date will be like this, right? The date may be written of the following ways: 4 June 2001, this one, this kind of date can be mentioned in this format. But if you are writing these dates, that will be incorrect, right? Means what is the correct format of writing a date? That will be this. So my dear student, first of all let me tell you the where, from where the letter is being written and when it is being written will be replied by date, right? and that must be placed on the top of, right? As you can see, the position of the heading, top right hand corner, right? On the page, just choose the top corner, and not only top, in fact to the right corner, and write. What will be that right? This right will be your left generally, मान के चलिएगा. If you are writing on a page, so the right of page will be left of yourself, right? यानी पेज पे आप ये मत समझिएगा कि अपना लेफ्ट हैंड उसका लेफ्ट हैंड मान लीजिएगा, नहीं. जब भी आप लिखिएगा तो राइट साइड में टॉप पर, तो आपका राइट क्या होगा? पेज का लेफ्ट होगा. पेज का राइट क्या होगा? आपका लेफ्ट होगा. दैट मीन्स आपके अकॉर्डिंग वो आपका लेफ्ट होना चाहिए, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द पेज दैट विल बी राइट. सो आपको हमेशा जब भी, सपोज दैट आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग अ पेज, right? I am just giving you an example, and suppose this one is the page, right? This one is the page, so you will have to write here. This will be the appropriate flush writing heading. So my dear students, that's enough for today. Rest of the point we will cover in the next video. Up to the time, thank you. Have a nice day.